Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 9th of November. In this video we're going to look at the charts on Platinum, which has got the code on TradingView XPTUSD. What we'll see is that on the long-term weekly chart there's a potential head and shoulder formation, which if we break down below the support at the bottom of the right hand shoulder would be bearish. However, in the short term we're seeing some upside momentum starting to appear, and on the 4 hour we've gone back above the moving averages. This could take us to the first resistance at 940 from that downtrending 50-day. Let's look at those charts. So starting with the weekly picture, so here each candle represents 1 week of trade, and you can see that we've got this potential head and shoulder. We've got the left shoulder, we've got the head, which was at the rise that we had in September. We've now had a consolidation from the end of September to where we are now, 9th of November, creating the right shoulder. If we were to break down below 904, which was the support from the week of 2nd of October, then that would confirm that head and shoulder picture, and really we'd be looking at a move down towards the 860s and even the support that came in back in 2015 below the 850 level. So there's that bearish scenario on the background. Added to that, on this weekly picture, you can see that the moving averages, the 20, which is the yellow line, and the 50, which is the blue line, these weekly moving averages are moving down, and they will create resistance. They're presently at 945.64, 951.99, so they will cause resistance on the upside. Momentum wise on this weekly, you can see that the RSI has ticked up, but it's still below 50, 46.97, and the MACD, although the short term has ticked towards the longer term, it's still they're still tracking down. The longer term is still tracking down, and it's still below 0. On the daily picture, you can see here that we've found support from the 20-day moving average, although that is moving back down. It has moved down, up and down. We're tracking around it, so it is a major influence on the short-term move. If we were to go back below that now, that could push down. So we need the platinum price to stay above that level, which is presently at 925.07. So that's a support, and we need to stay above there for it to turn back upwards. On the upside, you can see that the 50, the blue line, has crossed the red line, which is the 200-day moving average, in a bearish formation, which bodes badly for the medium term. And the 50 would be the first resistance level, and that's 940.97. Momentum, however, has improved. You can see the RSI is in an uptrend. It has gone back above 50 as well, 52.62, and that's confirmed by the MACD. Short term moving above the long term, although they are still below 0, so not massive upside momentum, but there is visibility of upside momentum. And you can see that on the 4-hour charts. So here each candle represents 4 hours, and you can see now that the moving averages are the 20-50 are moving up quite well. 200 is slowly starting to turn, and the momentum is on the upside with RSI 58.2 and the MACD above 0 and moving up. You can see the resistance lines. We've got the high here of the 1st of November, which is around about 937.3, and then there's the highs of the 16th of October, 946.9. On the support resistance levels, the 50-day, as I said, is very important for resistance, 940.97. Then we've got the 20-week, 945.64, with supports coming in from the 20 of the 4 hour, 928.52, and then that 20-day still moving down, but will turn 925.09. On the downside, it would be particularly bad if we went back below there. That 20-day would then push the platinum price downwards and would be a negative influence. As I said, the conclusions from the chart, on the longer term, there's a potential head and shoulders. A break below 904.5 would confirm that. However, the short-term picture is better, with momentum okay, and that could see us hit the resistance from that downtrending 50-day moving average, which is seen at the 940 level. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't only just come out with videos on commodities, I also cover FX, equity indices and single stocks in the UK and the US. If you subscribe, you get email updates when I come out with new videos, which is 3 or 4 days a week at the moment. These videos are for information only, and they're my opinion. They're not meant as an investment recommendation. Please do read the disclaimer.